Controlling RH, temperature, and pressure differences in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Hi everyone. Today we will discuss how relative humidity, temperature, and pressure differences are controlled in pharmaceutical manufacturing. These environmental parameters form the invisible foundation of product quality. Proper control ensures that every dose produced is safe, effective, and compliant with regulatory requirements. Why environmental control matters in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Environmental control is not just about comfort. It is essential for maintaining product quality and patient safety. Medicines are sensitive to moisture, heat, and airborne contamination. Therefore, controlling environmental conditions is a critical GMP requirement. The stakes, product quality and patient safety. Poor environmental control can directly affect the quality of medicines and ultimately the health of patients. Any deviation in temperature or humidity can cause instability, contamination, or reduced effectiveness of the product. Stability risks. Uncontrolled humidity and temperature can degrade active pharmaceutical ingredients. This may lead to potency loss, impurity formation, or microbial contamination. For example, aspirin tablets exposed to moisture may develop an acetic acid odor and become unsuitable for use. Real world impact. Environmental failures can lead to batch rejection and financial loss. If a batch absorbs moisture or experiences temperature excursions, the entire production may be discarded. This demonstrates how critical environmental control is in pharmaceutical operations. Regulatory mandate. Regulatory agencies such as FDA, EMA, and WHO require strict environmental control. Manufacturers must demonstrate that conditions are monitored, maintained, and documented. Failure to comply can result in regulatory action, including warning letters or suspension of manufacturing. Regulatory landscape. Vague yet critical regulations often state that environmental conditions must be appropriate without specifying exact limits. Therefore, manufacturers must establish scientifically justified limits based on product requirements and validation studies. Global standards guidelines such as EU UDRALEX and US 21 CFR Part 211 require proper temperature, humidity, and pressure control. Companies must define acceptable ranges and continuously monitor them to ensure compliance. USP specifications. USP guidelines provide practical recommendations, such as maintaining humidity below 60% and temperature between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius. Continuous monitoring and proper documentation are essential for audit readiness. Cleanroom environmental control. Modern cleanrooms use advanced systems to control airflow, pressure differences, humidity, and temperature. These systems create controlled microenvironments required for pharmaceutical manufacturing, especially for sterile products. The science behind RH, temperature, and pressure. Now let us understand the scientific principles behind humidity, temperature, and pressure control. A clear understanding of these relationships helps maintain stable manufacturing conditions. How temperature affects relative humidity. Relative humidity depends on both moisture content and temperature. As temperature increases, the air can hold more moisture, which reduces relative humidity if no additional moisture is added. The RH formula. Relative humidity is calculated as the ratio of actual vapor pressure to saturation vapor pressure, multiplied by 100. This formula helps us quantify how much moisture is present compared to the maximum possible moisture at that temperature. Temperature's impact. Saturation vapor pressure increases rapidly with temperature. Therefore, when temperature rises but absolute moisture remains constant, relative humidity decreases significantly. Practical example. For example, air at 25 degrees Celsius with 50% relative humidity, when heated to 30 degrees, may drop to around 37% humidity. Such changes can affect powder handling and product stability. Pressure differentials and airflow control. Pressure differences control the direction of airflow between rooms. Maintaining correct pressure gradients prevents contamination and maintains clean room integrity. Positive pressure protection. Positive pressure rooms push clean air outward. This prevents contaminated air from entering the clean area. Such protection is essential for sterile manufacturing processes. Negative pressure containment. Negative pressure rooms draw air inward. These rooms are used for handling hazardous drugs to prevent exposure to personnel and surrounding areas. EU cleanroom classification. Maintaining differential pressure is critical for ISO classified cleanrooms. Proper pressure control ensures that air flows from cleaner areas to less clean areas, maintaining sterility assurance. Dew point and moisture control. Dew point indicates the temperature at which air becomes saturated and condensation begins. Controlling dew point prevents moisture from forming on equipment and product surfaces. Understanding dew point represents the actual moisture content in the air, independent of temperature changes. It is an important parameter for preventing condensation-related issues. Critical prevention. Condensation can cause corrosion, microbial growth, and product degradation. Therefore, controlling dew point helps protect equipment, packaging, and product quality. Impact on manufacturing processes. Environmental conditions directly influence manufacturing operations and product quality. Let us see how humidity and temperature affect specific processes. Humidity's role in tablet and injection manufacturing. Different dosage forms require different humidity levels. Incorrect humidity can lead to processing problems and product defects. Tablet compression. Tablet compression requires low humidity to prevent powder sticking and weight variation. Proper humidity ensures uniform tablet quality and dissolution performance. Injection manufacturing. Sterile injection manufacturing requires controlled moderate humidity. This prevents degradation of sensitive materials and maintains sterility. Quality failures. Excess moisture can cause coating defects, sticking, color migration, and microbial growth. Such failures often result in batch rejection and costly investigations. Temperature control for stability and reaction rates. Many pharmaceutical processes are temperature dependent. Small deviations can alter reaction rates and product stability. Reaction sensitivity. Higher temperatures can accelerate degradation reactions and reduce product shelf life. Therefore, precise temperature control is essential. Optimal range. Maintaining controlled room temperature between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius supports consistent manufacturing and product stability. Biotech applications. Biological products such as vaccines are extremely sensitive to environmental conditions. Precise control is required to maintain their activity and effectiveness. Technologies and best practices. Advanced technologies are used to achieve and maintain precise environmental control. These systems ensure consistent conditions throughout manufacturing. Advanced HVAC and environmental control systems. Specialized HVAC systems regulate temperature, humidity, filtration, and airflow simultaneously. They are designed specifically for pharmaceutical clean rooms. Precision engineering. Modern systems can maintain extremely tight control over environmental parameters. Such precision is necessary to meet strict pharmaceutical standards. Material selection. HVAC components are made from pharmaceutical-grade materials that can withstand sterilization and prevent contamination. Integrated monitoring. Sensor networks continuously monitor environmental conditions and provide alarms when limits are exceeded. This enables immediate corrective action. Monitoring and compliance automation. Automated monitoring systems record data continuously for compliance and quality assurance. Real-time intelligence. Wireless sensors provide real-time environmental data. This allows trend analysis, deviation investigation, and preventive maintenance. Regulatory readiness. Automated records provide audit-ready documentation for inspections and regulatory reviews. Data integrity is essential for demonstrating GMP compliance. Mastering environmental control for pharma excellence. In conclusion, precise control of humidity, temperature, and pressure differences is essential for pharmaceutical excellence. It protects product quality, ensures patient safety, and supports regulatory compliance. Investment in advanced systems reduces failures and improves operational efficiency. Thank you.